Welcome to CodeRush. Here, we take a look at making games in Unity Game Engine, but I also plan on making some machine learning videos if you want to see that in the future. Also, please like and subscribe if you want to see if you like this type of content, and comment what you think I should do next. I respond to every comment. Phew. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's get into the actual video. So I want to start this channel off with doing something pretty cool, a challenge video. As you saw by the title, I'm going to be making the Flappy Bird game in 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. I'm going to be doing my own audio and graphics for all the games. Now, let's start off with the 10-minute round. Okay, let's get into it. So, we'll start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, ooh, fast transition. Start looking good. Sounds like a bird. Faceless bird, but a bird nonetheless. Okay, so of course I'm not going to make you watch this whole 10-minute challenge. Pretty much I'm just going to explain what's going on. So right now I'm creating the pipe graphics. So then I'm going to add the script to it, create the environment, all that, yada yada yada. Just pretty basic stuff, changing the color. So I didn't have time to make a spawn manager, so I just decided to create it in low, and then also Visual Studio started to crash a few times. Right now I'm just creating the pipe script, just telling it to move left as variable speed, and then here I'm creating the bird script, just telling it to when spacebar is clicked to zero out the velocity and then bring it up. There's already I added a ridge body, so there's already gravity to it, so I didn't really have to fiddle with that much. And then I found out, oh wait, that's too hard, so I just made it easier, just making it small adjustments. Yeah. Okay, so now we're starting to shape up like the Flappy Bird game, but I still had to make a few minor tweaks. But then, with a few seconds left, okay, hands off. Okay, that was the 10-minute challenge. Okay, the end result is it's okay for a 10-minute challenge, but it's only gonna get better from here. Okay, so let's head into the 30-minute challenge. See you there. Okay, thank you. Pass me. Okay, so now it's time to start the 30-minute challenge. So I think I'm going to start in Photoshop for this one. Okay, I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this thing. Woo! Future me again. Yeah, so this is the 30-minute challenge. So first I started by using my quote-unquote Photoshop skills to create a bird. So yeah. I messed up a few times if you were to see all my struggles. So actually I just learned that Photoshop has this cool timeline thing where you can like create animations in it. Pretty cool. Yeah, so that's what I used. I created each individual image and then exported it to Unity. Okay, so now I start on the pipe. So the pipe was probably the easiest one because it was just 2 rectangles. But I think next time I'm gonna use pixel art to do the pipe. So I just had some cool touches to it, and then I couldn't figure out how to make the white rectangle on that side, so I just gave up. Yeah. So then I went back into opened up Unity, created a project. Yada yada, got all that stuff done. Yeah, I had trouble switching through windows. I don't know, it was weird. Yeah, so now I'm back on Unity. Started with the animation, got that working. And then while I was doing this, actually I was doing the audio for the bird, which took a while actually. It wasn't easy. I had to plug in my computer. And like all my stuff started crashing all of a sudden. It was really annoying. But yeah, so that happened. Yeah, and then so here I started with a pipe. I made a spawn manager actually, so I just created a game object, and then I created a coroutine, which allows me to do like wait for seconds. So I created a variable, and I had that change. So that was this amount of seconds it waited. So that means it could the distance apart could change. And then I also created a variable for the offset, so it can add to the height and add to the the offset, so it can go lower and higher to give some variation. So then there was just a bunch of testing, and to be honest, for a 30-minute challenge I expected more, but like the graphics just took forever. So yeah, this is the final thing. So now looking back, it looks more like a football actually, but I don't know. And that's how you know you die actually. So it's like a different type of Flappy Bird game where if you get cut off the screen, that's how you know you died. So yeah, actually that's how all Flappy Birds go, but like in this way. Yeah, so that is that. And I will see you in the 1 hour challenge. Yeah, I'll cut you that. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. So now we are in the 1 hour challenge. So this one was very different because I used pixel art and I made a theme song, which you'll see in a minute. But this bird was, I tell you, man, you can look at the eye. I couldn't figure out how to make the eye look realistic to the actual Flappy Bird. So I actually did look up how what the Flappy Bird looks like, but I just, yeah, it was a struggle. Yeah, so now I made the background. The background actually was my favorite part, because if you look at the shadows and the clouds, I think that was pretty good. This is the software I use, like Pescasillo, I think. It's a software that I use to actually create the theme song, which it took I don't know, I think it took like 15 to 20 minutes to do it, or maybe actually probably more. But yeah, so I'll play it for you right now. Yeah, so that was the music for it. It was actually pretty cool to make, and I'm not sure if Flappy Bird actually has a theme song. I'm not sure if I based it off that, but I don't know. I feel like I just went for that happy kind of, just go with the flow vibe. I like that. And also, I want to note that I kind of forgot that how to import the pixel art and change it the type to. I was at bilinear, so that's why it looks all grainy and everything. At the end, I'll show you what it actually looks like. Actually, yeah, and also show it right in the. It should be in the corner of your screen right now, and you'll see actually what it looks like if once I just change that one setting. Yeah, so this is just the basic stuff. I did the exact same thing last time, where I just had it go up and just had the pipes like have it was on a coroutine that just moves side to side, and the offset, I explained that already. Yeah, so now I was just like making added the audio, so the theme song, and I was just bringing that in. I had to download it, and yeah, so I threw it in there, had it loop. If you listen to it long enough, it actually gets kind of annoying, but this Fat Five Bang actually, Flappy game, bird game is actually kind of hard, so I don't think you can last that long in it. Visual Studio crashed. Oh, so much. Yeah. So you'll notice that, yeah, so everything started messing up. It's really annoying. You also will notice that the timer actually went to 0. Okay, so this one, call it the 1 hour and a bit challenge. We'll do that. Um, so what happened was everything started crashing. It went over time. Yada yada yada. My bad. I didn't go. I was like, I think it was like 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes over. Okay. Just the graphics, they took forever because you had to export every single one. I didn't feel like doing the spreadsheet, so I just did that. Yeah, so now you will hear the whole thing. Enjoy. Yeah, so that was the 1 hour, and right now on screen I will show them in order. So here we go. Flappy Bird in 10 minutes. Then we did the Flappy Bird in 30 minutes. The grand finale, the 1 hour version, which took a little bit longer than expected, but still came out with a pretty awesome result. Here it is, 1 hour challenge. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Comment whatever you want to say. Say hi. I respond to every comment. Okay, there it is. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.